Good day. Another conference about science and technology. These days, lots of conferences are focusing on science and technology. The good point is this conference brings, many researchers, many expectorates, many professionals together, and then we are helping science and technology to be developed. But now, here and today, I want to speak about how science and technology is pushing us. I haven't heard about it that much, but it will be interesting to see that not only us pushing science and technology, but there is a reverse side. Science and technology is pushing our life. My name is Shahryar Sorooshian from University of Gothenburg, Sweden. Today, for this keynote, ICSTR Singapore. Here in this picture, what I see is a robot. What I see is a globe there in the background, the whole wall. And what I see is some money, some gold, some golden coins like that. And then there are a few keywords here: me, work, business. For the word, yes, I can see something in the background. For business, maybe those coins can be a symbol for business. For me, there is a robot. Am I a robot? Is this robot equals to me? What is that? Let's go for that. Science and technology performance. So we are going to talk about performance of science and technology. Okay. Maybe, well, seeing the first slide, you would say that I'm not a robot. That robot is not me in the first slide. I'm living with my family in the nature. I'm enjoying my life. I'm not a robot. I don't want to be a robot. There is no relationship between me and robots. I'm just living my life with my family. I would answer that, yes, correct. You are absolutely correct. But still, there is something that we need to be aware of. What is that? That we are not fully robots. We are not robot, we are human being, but we are engaged to technology. We are very deep dived to the technology. We are working with robots. Without robots, we cannot do anything. Without robots, we are no one. Just imagine a day without your mobile phone. Just imagine a day without, internet, without your machines, without artificial intelligence that are helping those machines that you're dependent to. Just imagine a day, a business without technology. Is it possible? A business without internet, is it possible? A business without artificial intelligence, is it possible? Can you imagine your life without cell phones? This is one of the big mega trends in technology. Mobile phones that are getting all over our life, nights, days. We are always with our phone, mobiles. Yeah, nowadays even they say that this is the era of post PC. Previously PC was very famous, but now these mobiles, even the trend is everybody 2 3. Yeah, it is possible that number of mobiles are going to be more than number of people. Post PC era, mega trend of mobile in technology. Another mega trend, I'm sure that you've heard about Internet of Things, cloud technology. Now everybody is talking about sensors, digital supply chain, digital twins, Internet of Things, smart manufacturing. Yeah, these are hot topics these days. So yeah, this is another mega trend. Internet of Things, cloud technology, cloud computing, artificial intelligence. Uh, another trend that involves our industries, involve our life. So to me, robot is all of these technologies. So my definition is saying that if you cannot stay, well, as productive as you are without your cell phone, without your digital gadgets, without the artificial intelligence that is supporting you, you are very dependent on the technology. You are very dependent to those robots. Oh, somehow, are we robots? Let's talk about another megatrend: social media, social networks. Even businesses are changing. Previously, there was a shop. You go to the shop. Now everything is online. Previously, there was you need to see somebody if you want to give him or her a message, a face-to-face conversation. Now it is all digitally. Another mega trend is affecting our life. Life without social networking is meaningless now. And you know what is behind this social networking? Lots of technological supports, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, lots of other things which are affecting our life. Okay, um, let's move on. I cannot judge. I don't want you to judge. Please, let's just go on with what is the trend, but let's be aware of what is happening in the environment that we are living in. We have heard about Industrial 4.0, Industrial Revolution number 4, which tries to make things smarter, smart logistics, smart transportation, driverless cars, drones, uh, satellites, smart satellites, uh, smart education, smart health industry, those wearable gadgets that can track your life or track the health or can be connected to cloud. Yeah, if I am very dependent on robots, if my friend is very dependent on the robots, if you are dependent on this technology, so it means that not only me, but we are very dependent on these technologies now. So if we are very dependent on this technology, it means that our life, the whole city that we are living in, the whole country that we are living in, are dependent on the technology. So without these gadgets, without this, I'm calling them as a robot, but I don't mean robot, really. Technically speaking, it is not robot. I use robot as a symbol of technology. Cities, me, you, we, all of us are very dependent on robots. Maybe some cities are very close to be called a robot. There are lots of sensors, there are lots of technology, uh, artificial intelligence controlling different parts of the city. So they're very close to be called smart cities, but they can make decisions sometimes. Yeah, so if this city is, if that city is, if my city is, if yours is, the whole globe is, am I right? We are living in today's globe. Yeah, that means that technology has already covered all our life, our our environment. The whole globe is already dependent on the technology. Okay, that seems that technology, the performance of technology is trending considerable from performance point of view. But let's see here, business, our daily life without technology, is it possible? Let's talk about what is my job. Actually, I'm a researcher. From my point of view, without those databases, without those computers, Without those artificial intelligent machines, I cannot earn money. How about your job? Oh, just think about it a few minutes. Yeah, let's say my friend is working in a restaurant. He is a chef. Let's talk about his business. Without technology, how he can earn money? Oh, so there need to be a timer for the, I don't know, oven, let's call oven, washing machines, they use, freeze, fridge. Okay, without that, hmm, not that. So still technology is affecting his life, his business, his industry, my industry, the whole industries, your industry also. Just think more. You will find lots of examples for that. So technology is performing well. By well, I'm just referring to trend of technology engaging in our life. But yeah, we are surrounded by technology. We are surrounded not only technology, but currently, you know that coronavirus. We are surrounded by coronavirus. Science. What saved our life against coronavirus? Yeah, good news is that we have scientists. We have medicine. We have a vaccine now for this coronavirus disease. So yeah, our life is very dependent on scientists. It means that, yeah, science also is performing considerably. Not only from medical area, health area, but also from chemistry, from physics, from mathematics, all together. Technology is because of those, mathematics and physics and chemistry and other pure sciences. So yes, we need to have science perform good, then only we can have technology performing good. If technology is good now, it means that science is pushing it well. So yeah, science and technology are performing. But this digitalization, this technology, this improvement of science, this improvement, development of technologies, is it safe for humanities? I cannot comment. I prefer just to leave the question for you to think, but what I'm saying that we need to be aware of where we're going to. We don't want to be robots. We prefer to stay human. At least a few of us, some of us. But we are very dependent on technology. What if, just imagine a day without internet? Is there any possibility that we, face a day without internet crisis? If let's say 5 years ago, I asked you, is there any possibility for us to be in a worldwide pandemic, 2 million dead? I don't know how many, 200 million infected people. Lots of people are infected. Then most probably you would say that, no, I cannot see that, but it happens. Starting, from end of 2019, we are in the pandemic. So it happens. Now I'm asking you, do you see a day that we face with no internet in front of us? There is a possibility is not zero. So if that happens, can we survive? This is the question. If that happens, can we survive? If technology goes away, can we survive? We are too much dependent on technology. Performance of technology is good, but performance of us, is it as good as technology? Can we live without technology, without those advancements? We need to think about that. We need to design our future. We need to design our cities, today's cities and future cities. We need to design the society. Society means families. Society means me, you, our friends. So we need to re-architect the future. We need to double think of where we're going and how fast we're going. Are we ready for that change? Are we ready for that shift? Or is that shift suitable for us or not? From the other side, we see that technology is performing. It's growing very fast, very, very, very terribly fast. Uh, Lots of scientifics are, happening. Scientific activities, events, science outcome are happening. This is very good. It means that they are performing very well. We need to see the other side also. But with this, I'm sure that future will be very beautiful. We are living in beautiful cities, even future cities, yeah, probably a lot more beautiful than what they are now. And I'm sure that our future life will be a lot more beautiful than now. At least I hope to. Thank you for listening. I hope that this a few minutes discussion helps us to just review where we're going and then how technology is performing, how science is performing. Is it up to our standards? Is it more than our standards? Is it less than our standards? How about us? Thank you. Have a great conference ahead.